Hello friends, today we will going to discuss about the Leo sign and the sun as a planet. So before starting the video, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the videos, then please press the bell icon so that you will receive the notification about the latest videos. So friends, today we will discuss about the first of all we will discuss about the fifth house and the Leo sign. Fifth house is the house of our creativity, because our child progeny is seen from the fifth house, so it is a house of our creativity, and our liking and disliking is also seen from the fifth house. Fifth house is also the mouth of the mother, so any problems with the face of the mother or dental problem of the mother is seen from the fifth house. Fifth house is also house of our likings, and it's also talks about the speculative gains. Our education is also seen from this house, so this house is very important house. Our purva punya sanchit karma, means those good deeds which we have did in our past lives, they are accumulated in this form, and it is seen from this house. So whenever any malefics like Rahu, Ketu or Saturn is placed in the fifth house, it was assumed that they have a pitta dosh. So for that they have to do the pitta dosh shanti upayas. So fifth house is very in this manner, it's a very important house. So now sun is a planet which represents our atma, the soul. So whose sun is exalted in any form, that shows that person have a very developed soul. I mean, he did some good deeds in his past life, so that's the reasons why his sun is placed in a exalted form. I will teach you where the sun is exalted or where it's debilitated, but before that let me clear this about the sun. The sun also also represents our show off, our pride, our respect, our self-respect. All these things are seen from the sun. Sun is also used to calculate the male progeny. I mean, the sex of the child will be seen from the position of the sun, especially this house. So these are the things. So sun got exalted in the Aries sign. When the sun is placed in this sign, the person have a very good personality. He's a very egoistic kind of person. He's a royal person, you know. He behaves in a attitudinal manner. So very he wears the royal clothes. His dealings and his likings will be for expensive things like clothes, branded items, because sun is a royal planet in the galaxy, and all the royal things are seen from the when the sun is exalted in the Aries sign. So this is the house, and sun got debilitated here in this sign, in the Libra sign. So because Libra is a sign of the Venus, so sun and Venus combinations most of the times create problems. I have seen a chart of one of my clients whose Venus is here in the Leo sign in the Magha nakshatra. So it's a secret, or I mean, it's 100% secret. Whenever you saw Venus in the Leo in the Magha nakshatra, then you can blindly predict that the person would face defame from a lady, whether she will be in his office or in workplace or from her neighbors. Definitely he will face defame from a lady whose Venus is there in the Leo sign with Magha nakshatra. So sun and Venus has some sort of enmity. And one more thing, I have seen most of the charts where the ladies have sun and Venus combinations, and most of them are in the beauty parlor business, because sun is also represents creativity and show off, and Venus is also planet, it's a royal planet. They when both of them combines, then you know, because face is also used as a medium to show off. So most of the times beauty parlor ladies have sun and Venus combination, because sun and Venus gives outer glamour and outer show of things, but internally they are burned, because sun burned the things, because that is the, because it's a lot of heat. So in most of the times those ladies have disturbed family life, so this is due to this particular thing. Then I have seen from Libra ascendant people, sun is the badhaka, sun is the badhaka for the Libra ascendant peoples. So whenever the dasha and antardasha of sun will be operating for this Leo ascendant people, they will face troubles from government sides, or from his or her father. So it shows the disturbances for the Leo ascendant peoples. Now as I have told you, it's a house of the speculations. So whenever Ketu is resides with the sun here in this house, so it was assumed that he will take the wrong decisions. So all of his speculations gains will be loss affair to him. And one more thing, as I told you, this is house of the liking. So most of the time when lot of the 5th house goes to the 7th house, there are chances that person will go for love marriage. Or when the lot of 7th is here in the 5th house, same thing is seen. And one more thing, suppose your lot of 5th house sun is here in the 9th house with Jupiter, with Rahu, and Jupiter is aspecting this sun and Rahu from this house. Then I have seen that they have a love affair with their teacher, because sun represents our liking and Rahu is out of bond and out of boundary concept. So it's a house of the teacher and Jupiter is aspecting, so they have a love affair with their teacher. So this is how you can predict about the things. And now I will discuss about this about the position of sun in the different houses. When the sun is here, I have told you it's a house of exaltation for the sun. So good personality, good very stout body, and development of the bones are good, and his person will be arrogant, has a royal attitude and royal nature. So these are things from this. When the sun goes to 2nd house, then the native will speak in a royal manner. His voice will have a gravity, and he will think before he speak, and there is a royalty in his talks, and he will be the Kul Deepak of the family, or rather he will take the profession of his family when the sun is here. Most of the times when the sun is here in this house, when the sun is here in this house, then there would be some government officials residing in our neighborhood. The neighbors would be have connection with the government, and his brother would get the government job, or for some government connection is there for his or her brother. When the sun moves into the 4th house, then it was seen as that the house of the native would be a bigger one, which would have a royal facilities in this house. It should be bigger with a lot of sunlight coming into that house. And sun here also shows that the mother would have a royal attitude. She would be a royal lady. So when sun is here in this house, so when sun moves to this house, this is natural house of the Leo. The sun's natural house is here, so all the creativity are seen from this house, and the person would have a government connection. But when Rahu is placed in this house, so they have a difficulty in getting the male progeny. So he will get the male progeny later in his life when sun is placed in this house. When sun is here in this house, then the person would have an enmity with some royal peoples, as we have seen in the chart of Mahatma Gandhi ji, whose I think sun is here. So he have an enmity with the royal peoples like government officials, British Indias. So when sun is here, you will blindly predict that your enemies would be some royal person, and you will win over them. And then when the sun is here in this house, so you can predict that your wife would be a royal lady. With the sun and Venus combination is here, she would be a royal lady, but there would be troubles in their married life, because internally sun burns the relationships over here. When sun moves into this house, this is the house of the occult, and this is co-lord by Ketu. So sun and Mars is also lord of this house, so they have a knowledge about the occult knowledge. They have a knowledge about their liking is towards occult, and they can become a good astrologer. They can earn, because this is because of earning of the our opponent. This is our open enemy or open house, and this is an enemy. So we have to extract money from our opponent. Then astrologer is there, right? So when sun moves into this house, is house of the father. For long journey is also seen from this house. So father would be a royal person, and it was if it is in under malefic influence, then they have a trouble relationship with the father. So he will not get the support of the father when sun or he is in the malefic influence. When sun moves into this house, this is the house of our profession, and so the profession of the person would be in some royal or rather in the government sector, and the office would be in a big building surrounded by the secretariat or government. Some government connection would be there, whose sun is here in this house. When the sun moves into this house, you can blindly predict that he will gain through his child, through his children's and his elder brothers. And this house is also co-lord by Rahu. So he has a liking for out of country things, or he would have a out of box thinking. So he will earn from that thing. When sun moves into this house, so he would have definitely his father would have a connection with the foreign countries. And if moon is here along with sun, then you can definitely say that the father have to travel a lot after the birth of the child. So these are the things we have seen from the sun and the sign Leo. I hope you would like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.